Welcome back Office Executives. I am back again with another Excel video, and in this Excel video I'll be discussing over a topic in how effectively you can put serial number to a table. So suppose we are having a column level as name. Now if I just give some name in here, maybe Ram, the serial number which is supposed to appear is not appearing. So now I am having 50,000 records along with me. What I'll be doing is that I'll be writing 1, and then I'll be clicking and dragging all the way across to 50,000 records, and then selecting this fill series. So the problem set scenario is as such that is there any way out that I'll be entering the data, and based on the data automatically the serial number would be populated. So the answer is yes. We can do that in Excel. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be deleting these datas, this serial number, and instead of having only one column, I'll be having another one, maybe designate for designation. Now I'll be using a conditional statement equal to if. So if is a logical statement, it's test for a value. If this particular cell, if this cell is equal to blank, which means that there's a double inverted comma. Within the double inverted comma I am leaving blank. So if the cell is blank, do nothing. However, if the cell is not blank, what I will be doing is that I will be using the row function, and I will be subtracting 1 from the row number where I am sitting. So I am sitting in row number 2. So 1 subtracted from 2 is -1. Let's close the braces and press 1. Now what I'll be doing is that I'll be pressing Control Shift down arrow to move all the way across to the down, not something like that. So Control Shift up arrow. So what I'll be doing is that, yeah, Control Shift down arrow, and here I'll be giving a dummy name, dummy. Fine. Now what I'll be doing is that I'll be pressing Control Shift up arrow, and from here I'll be just simply double click to auto, so that the formula gets copied to the next cell. It has not been copied as of now. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be dragging all the way across to the down, maybe up to 678. Now whenever I am inserting a record, whenever I am inserting a new record, so designation is OE tab. So let me press the arrow key. Now his name is Mohan, and his designation is OE. So I am pressing the navigation keys up, top, down, left, right. So now if I enter another name, maybe Rita, so that's how you can effectively apply the automate the serial number in a table in Excel. Let me know in the comment section how you felt about this video, and if you have felt any issues, I will definitely try to resolve out the issues if there are any problem or any hurdles you have faced while doing the practical with the video which I have just demonstrated just now. That's all for this video tutorial, Office Executives. Happy coding guys, and thank you.